Hello. All right, today we are going to be making the head and the tail, okay? So I finished the body, so this is gonna be like the back of my crocodile. And now I need to make the head at one end and the tail at the other. And as you know, crocodiles have triangular heads and triangular shaped tails. So up front, I will have large sheets of paper. And what I want you to do is fold it so that it looks like, let's see, I guess you'd say like hamburger style, some people say, or like it looks like a big birthday card. Okay. So fold it like that. Do not fold it this skinny way like this. If it looks like a really skinny birthday card, then you have it the wrong way. Fold it in half, okay? So now I have my paper, and what you're gonna do, and you wanna make the head really big, and you wanna make the tail really big. So use the entire piece of paper. Don't just make it really small, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna make a triangle, and I recommend drawing with pencil in case you make a mistake, because I won't be able to give new paper all the time because we just go through so much green paper for this project, okay? So I'm gonna take my pencil and I'm gonna draw a big triangle. I'm gonna start at one corner. I'm gonna go up towards the middle. So what I like to do is make a little mark up here. That's kind of the middle for me, where I see the middle. And so then I have something to try to connect to if I draw that little line right there. Okay, so I'm gonna draw from this corner up, and it doesn't have to be perfect, towards that top. And then I have to go all the way back down to this triangle right here, or I mean to this corner right here, sorry. So I'm gonna go down like that. And now I have used the whole piece of paper, and I have two really big triangles. Then cut them out. I hope you guys can see my pencil drawing. Let's see here. So I'm gonna cut them out. Keep your paper folded when you cut. Remember, that's how we get two. And if you want to kind of round the top, you can. So I rounded the corner when I was cutting like that a little bit. And I'm holding the paper together with my other hand so that when I cut, they're both the same shape. Okay. All right, let me set my scraps to the side. Then bring back the body, okay? So now you have your weaving that you have done. And grab a glue stick, those will be up front as well. And you are going to glue one end on this side and one on the other, okay? So let's see. And so that you don't go over your name, I'm actually gonna put the glue just right on the edge, on the very top of my weaving loom. Like that. And then I'm gonna put glue down here on the bottom and put my tail on there. Now, if you have extra time, this top is going to be the head, and we have some pieces to make for that in just a little bit here. But if you'd like to make the texture of the tail, I'll have a picture on the front board, but there are these like little kind of spikes going down the crocodile's tail. And then they have these really beautiful scales. So you're welcome to grab an oil pastel or a crayon, even a marker is fine, it doesn't matter. And you could make some really kind of cool textures. I might just make kind of a little design on here, just to add some interest to my puppet, my crocodile puppet. I might go like that, and then maybe in the middle I'll draw some scales, okay? So make sure that you can still see your name. I still can see my name because I glued my head and my tail on top of my weaving loom and not on the bottom, okay? All right, I will start the next part in just a second.